I need more cheese.
I did not know you could cook pizzas in air fryers. I thought that was really cool because it was way faster and seemed like a much easier way to use it.
I got to try out some new ways of cooking things, and I got to see what it's like to make crepes. This is the first time I've had crepes.
The grant was written to give students a variety of experiences in the VAX kitchen. After we've demonstrated the tools and talked about safety and how to handle and manage them, students are so excited to be able to engage and work on this on their own.
Like cinnamon crisps, like you put them in the air fryer and put some cinnamon on them, and they taste pretty good.
I think like the devices make life easier. I think it'd be cool, like maybe I could make like donuts in an air fryer.
I think having specialized tools is helpful and it makes things a lot easier. I just think that sometimes it takes up a lot more room.
You know, they've seen an oven and they've seen a knife, but then they see this other tool and they get really excited about being able to use that in a particular way, which is fun to see that kind of sandwich on top of their learning. As a kid didn't think the foundation enough. Thank you so much for the opportunity to be able to do this.